Well, Happy New Year, everyone. Start of a wonderful 2023. And what do we have? We have something that is not usually the norm for us. It's a 1963 Studebaker Avanti R1 4-speed manual, 289 engine. I look forward to this road test because it's a really cool car and not the norm. Okay, well, she's been sitting outside for 7 hours. So let's fire her up. You gonna be a good girl? So far, so good. Really good oil pressure. Everything is freezing. We have to take the handbrake off, which is spring-loaded, so... Sorry, I was only kidding. It doesn't really pull you under the dash. That was for Jason. Okay. There's a rear 4-speed. As you can see, she did go into warm-up idle. Okay, here we go. Oh, not good. Big truck. Okay, so we're definitely warming up, as you can see. These Studebaker Avantis are really cool, and apparently fill the void between the Ford Thunderbird and the Chevrolet Corvette. It does everything in style and 4 seats for comfort. We have lights, interior lights, heater, and this is really cool. Look, Jason. Woohoo! Look, no more Jason. Signals are working. Everything in the car is working. All gauges are working. Temperatures are great. It's actually, for the era, if you were to drive a 63 Vet or even a Thunderbird of the era, I don't think they're as tight as these Studebaker Avantis. They certainly rattle more. And this feels like it was just ahead of its time. It's comfortable to drive. Everything's easy to acclimate to. It actually handles pretty well. And when we get to the FFR road later, we're going to show you how it's got a lot of giddy up and go. It cruises really well, but funny enough, it feels way more modern than you'd ever imagine. It's got a little bit more muscle car GT Tourer than hot rod, and just feels elegant. We're on the road again because we got to get on the road again. We're on the road again.
On the road again?
That's what I was getting at.
I can't wait to get on the road again. That's what I do in my free time.
As you can see, though, it's really cool. It's really fun, even though you think, it's large. It is actually very nimble. The brakes are excellent. Tracks really well. And we'll be back to you with the flybys. Well, having just completed the flybys, which I hope everyone has enjoyed, we're back on the twisties for a little bit to show how nimble a big car can actually be, and which doesn't feel so big. She's a fun car to drive, so it's a family GT car that's fun to drive. In a moment, onto the farm road, go through the gears, show you how great it stops in a straight line. It tracks well. It's dialed in with the best of them. I mean, we've had other Avantis, and I don't think we've had one as good as this, I can say. Once again, don't want to offend any Studebaker Avanti guys. I'm sure there are others out that are as good, but they do not come across our path often. So let's go. Let's get on to the FFR road. As you can see, first, second, third, fourth, and cruising at 60 already without issue. So let's put it in third and give it a little giddy up. Well, guys, that's up and over 60, let's say, and it does it really, really well without any vibrations, issues, tracks extremely straight, except for when you have to turn to the right here, in which case you don't want to go straight. But it's awesome. It's awesome for what it is. It's awesome if you want a Studebaker Avanti R1 with a 4-speed manual that's been restored. And I hope that you've enjoyed this road test video, and welcome any questions anyone may have.